Modern washing machines have plenty of settings to choose from. Many will have a rinse and spin option. This setting misses out the first stage of a regular washing cycle and just rinses laundry with water before spin drying it. A normal wash cycle consists of 3 stages. First, the machine washes your clothes using detergent and water. Next, it rinses them to remove any excess detergent. Finally, it spins the clothes at high speed to remove excess water, making them easier to dry. The majority of laundry settings include some sort of variation of the wash stage. However, the rinse and spin setting misses it out completely. Therefore, no detergent is required. The rinse and spin shouldn't be used all the time, as you will usually need to clean your clothes with detergent. So when should you use it? An example of when to use this setting is if you put fresh clothes on in the morning and then get rained on. Your clothes aren't exactly dirty, but giving them a rinse and spin will freshen them up. Another time you could use this setting is if you've sprayed some stain remover onto a stain and need to rinse it off. You could also use the rinse and spin setting if your previous washing cycle had too much detergent in and has left detergent marks on your clothes. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.